helping us get rid of our hiccups. Now, up on your feet, everybody. It's time to do the Mouse Cadet.